Did you know that one dinner party changed the entire Islamic world forever? In 750 AD, the Abbasid rebels had a problem. They had beaten the Umayyad dynasty in battle, but the royal family was still alive, so they came up with a deadly plan. Abu Muslim and other Abbasid leaders sent invitations to 80 Umayyad princes. They promised peace talks and a grand feast in Damascus. The princes thought the war was over. They were wrong. When the Umayyads arrived at the banquet hall, everything seemed normal. Food was served, speeches were made. Then suddenly, armed men burst through the doors. They surrounded the dining tables and began killing every prince in sight. Not one was spared. But here's the most shocking part. After the massacre, the Abbasids covered the bloody corpses with leather carpets and kept eating their feast right on top of the bodies. Only one Umayyad escaped that night. Abd al-Rahman fled all the way to Spain and started his own rival kingdom. Meanwhile, the Abbasids moved their capital to Baghdad and ruled for 500 years.